This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jesus Alvarez. Brand new block construction. With golf view and private course/club community. This single-story open layout home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, a separate laundry room, oversized living room, large kitchen with plenty of cabinets and counter space, huge pantry and a kitchen counter height island will impress you. Let's not forget the smart home technology too. For more information, review the details below or contact Jesus Alvarez at 321-750-8498.